Mike and I are officially married. Guess what my client gave us? It requires pencil and don't touch my desk. Is that a $15,000 check?
Wow, that was only one try. Good boy. You did it. You did it. You did it. Let's try one more time. Let's try one more time. So we can show your daddy. Come on. Okay, one more time, I promise. I promise, one more time. Okay? Okay, go. Do it.
I feel like maybe you've gone off.
Go. Do it.
No.
Come on.
Hi there. I'm AJ Cooper.
Go. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Howard. Congratulations, Howard. Come with me. Hey, gang. Hey, Sam. Howard's been looking all over. He must have been.
Yay! Good boy! Good boy! That's a good boy! Yeah! Good boy! Good boy! Yeah! Oh! Are you trying to crawl now? Oh, Drew. Oh, Drew.
Best hour of your life. Can I get a what?
What? Let me just hold that for you.
I'll keep it.
We're gonna keep it. All right, Howard. What would you like to do for the next hour?
Good job, baby. Good job. Good job. Okay. All right, we will stop.